Good morning, dear students and parents. I hope you all are fit and fine at home. Dear students, our block 13 is going on. LP 1 and 2 is already finished, and I hope you all have done the homework also. The students, today we are going to start third lesson plan of 13 block. And what is our today's topic? Our today's topic is a monument in our state. A monument in our state. And keywords for this class: monument. What is the meaning of monument? Monument is an old building that is erected or created by a person in the past time. So this is the meaning of the monument, and today we are going to read about the monuments in our states. Resources for today's class: the political map of India, content book, notebook and workbook. And agenda as usual: first question, after that activity, then discussion, then you will do worksheet, and at last I will give you some homework. So student, what is our today's aim? Our aim is to identify the historical and social aspect of a monument in our state. Right? Means historical and social aspect of a monument in a state. Means state में जो भी कोई एक monument होता है उसके historical और social aspects क्या है, उसकी क्या importance है. Right? So today we are going to read about this. So student, this is our today's aim: to identify historical and social aspect of a monument in the state. Now it is time for the activity. Dear students, have you ever seen any of the big buildings? Think about it, and what are some buildings you have seen in your city or in the nearby city? Right? I have seen Qutub Minar in Delhi. This is my nearby city, and it is made by Qutubuddin Aibak. And it is a big building, and it is made by stone, and it is very old, right? So these kind of buildings are called the monument, students. Now again we are going to look one such building and see what it say about the state. Means we are going to have a look this kind of building. हम इस तरह की किसी एक बिल्डिंग को देखेंगे and we will try to find out means ये बिल्डिंग हमें उस स्टेट के बारे में क्या बताती है. Right students? Now I'm going to show you a video. Now have a look on this video and observe it carefully. While looking at this building, while observing this video, students, you will write the answer of these questions. Yes, first question is, what do you notice about this building? And what is the building made of? And what are the people doing nearby it? Means जो लोग हैं इस वीडियो में, what are they doing? What do you see around the building? So student, you will write the answer of these questions in your notebook while observing this video. Now look at this video.
The very famous Amer Fort of Jaipur. Amer Fort जयपुर का एक काफी आइकॉनिक महल है. एक पहाड़ी के ऊपर बना ये फोर्ट करीब 4 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर तक फैला हुआ है. The magnificent architecture of fort is a sheer blend of Rajput and Mughal styles, making it even way more unique and beautiful. The Amer Fort holds a very interesting history, क्योंकि आमेर फोर्ट का डिजाइन किसी एक राजा की देन नहीं है. महाराजा मान सिंह I, who was chief in Akbar's army, started its construction in 1592, और उनके बाद आने वाले ऑलमोस्ट हर रूलर ने अपने खास डिजाइन से महल के आर्किटेक्चर में 4 चांद लगा दिए, मेकिंग इट वे मोर इंप्रेसिव. यहां के लार्ज कॉम्प्लेक्सेस, जिनके अंदर शानदार रॉयल पैलेसेस, रैम्पट्स, कॉबल्ड पाथ्स एंड मल्टीपल गेट्स हैं. वॉक इन महाराजा स्टाइल थ्रू द सूरज पोल, ऑल्सो नोन एज सन गेट, एंड आपको देखने को मिलेगा द एक्सपेंसिव जलेब चौक. In olden days, the White Courtyard was used as a passage for armies to display their war winnings, while the royal women viewed them from behind the windows. The next is the very fabulous Ganesh Pole Gate, जो कि आमेर फोर्ट की सबसे बड़ी टूरिस्ट अट्रैक्शन है. Decorated with beautiful watercolor paintings, ये दरवाजा राजा के प्राइवेट क्वार्टर्स की तरफ खुलता है. Raja Man Singh designed a special room to spend quality, beautifully carved with glass panels and multi-mirrored ceilings. The lovely Jai Mandir was designed for king's romance. The mirrors were decorated with colored foils and were painted with glitter to spark in candlelight. Wow, sounds so exotically romantic. Another fantastic thing to talk about Amer Fort is Sukh Niwas. इस निवास का कार्विंग डिजाइन कई से कीड़े मकोड़ों के शेप से इंस्पायर्ड है. Now this sounds super weird, but believe us, it is amazingly beautiful. The Sukh Niwas or the Hall of Pleasure with its ivory inlaid sandalwood door is a treat to your eyes.
So now it is time for analysis. Just now you have watched the video, right? And this was the video about a monument. What was the name of that monument? Amber Fort, right? Amer ka Kila. And where is it situated? It is situated in Jaipur in Rajasthan, right, students? So now I want to discuss the same question which I have given you before the video. Yes, student, my first question is this. What do you notice about the building? What do you notice about the building? This is a big building, right? This is very beautiful and many paintings are there, right? Paintings are made on the walls and on the ceiling also, and it is very big and very beautiful, right, student? And second question is, what is the building made of? What is this building made of? Yes, student. Yes, this is made of the beautiful with the beautiful stones, right? And many beautiful like stones are also pasted on it. Many beautiful diamonds and beautiful colors are used to make this building. And next question is, what do you see around the building? What do you see around the building? You can have you noticed this thing? What do you see? What were there? Many mountains were there, right? Many mountains and trees were also there, right? So this was there around the building. What are people doing nearby? What are the people doing inside this building? And some people were observing this, right, students? Many people were there inside this building and nearby this building. What were they doing? They were watching it, right? They were observing the beauty of this monument. Yes, students, now I'm going to show you the map. Can you spot the name of the place where this building is situated? Yes, try to find out. Just look at this map and now spot the place where this Amber Fort is situated. So student, I have shown you only the one video of one monument, right? And there are many monuments are there in India. If you have observed and if you have heard about this, many beautiful monuments and big buildings are there in India, and these are situated in all over the country, throughout the country, in many states these are, right? In Delhi, if you have heard, Red Fort is there, Jantar Mantar is there, India Gate is there, and Qutub Minar. And if we are talking about Agra, the very famous, this is one of the seven wonders of the world. Taj Mahal, have you ever heard about? And Buland Darwaza, that is made by Akbar, and it is situated in Fatehpur Sikri. Gateway of India, it is situated in Mumbai. Charminar, it is in Hyderabad. So many big buildings and many beautiful monuments are there in India, and these are made by the kings on the contemporary king on that times. मीन्स उस टाइम पे जो किंग हुआ करते थे वो अपनी मेमोरी में या किसी भी चीज़ की याद में, अपनी खुशी के लिए, या कोई जब वो युद्ध जीतते थे तब भी वो अपने इसके लिए वो ये चीज़ें बनवाते थे, राइट? If we are talking about Taj Mahal, it is made by Shah Jahan, and he had made this Taj Mahal in the memory of his beautiful wife Mumtaz Mahal. So who built these monuments? These monuments are built by the contemporary kings of that time, and these are erected in a particular event, in the memory of particular events. Student, my next question is, how do people use these buildings today? आजकल लोग कैसे यूज कर रहे हैं बिल्डिंग्स का? Think about it, right? Yes, nowadays these monuments are used as a tourist spot के रूप में यूज किए जाते हैं, राइट? क्योंकि टूरिस्ट उनको बहुत देखने आते हैं, राइट? क्योंकि वो एक अट्रैक्शन पॉइंट बन जाता है, राइट? ताजमहल को बाहर से भी लोग आते हैं, फॉरेनर्स भी ताजमहल की ब्यूटी को ऑब्जर्व करने के लिए आते हैं, राइट स्टूडेंट्स? And one more question is here, why do you think the monument is important to the state? Monuments क्यों important होते हैं हमारे स्टेट के लिए? Yes, the monument is important to our state because these monument tell us about the history, the past of that state, and the art and the main event of that place. Student, now it is time for the HOTS, the higher order thinking question. Yes, student, now look at the screen for this question. Do you remember the material used to make the monument? Where do you think they got the material from? Do you remember just when you have watched the video? जब आप वीडियो को देखते थे on that time it was also discussed. Yes, students. Yes, which material was used? Right, the stones, the beautiful stones were used to make these monuments. And if we are talking about Taj Mahal, in Taj Mahal, different kind of stone is used. The beautiful stone is used, and this stone was brought from Sri Lanka and Tibet. Right, how far these were. आगरा से आप अगर उसको ऑब्जर्व करेंगे तो यू कैन सी दैट कितना दूर है श्रीलंका और तिब्बत. एंड ऑन दैट टाइम द टेक्नोलॉजी वाज आल्सो नॉट दैट मच डेवलप्ड. राइट, और उन्होंने कितनी मेहनत की होगी. दे डिड हार्ड वर्क टू मेक दिस ब्यूटीफुल मॉन्यूमेंट. So students, to make these monuments, they brought these things from far away places also. Now student, move to the reading section. Open page number 26 of your content book. Zubaida lives in Telangana and went with her mother to see the Charminar in Hyderabad. Her mother told her a king got the Charminar built more than 400 years ago. At that time, it was the center of Hyderabad. Many artists worked to make this a beautiful building. Monument like this tell us about the history, people and art of our state. The students, here we have read about Charminar, and where is Charminar? Charminar is situated in Hyderabad, and when it was built 400 years ago, and a king bought the Charminar built more than 400 years ago. At that time it was the center of Hyderabad. ये हैदराबाद का उस टाइम पे सेंटर हुआ करता कि सेंटर पॉइंट पे बना हुआ था हैदराबाद. Here you can see in this picture in Charminar. The Charminar is a monument that tells us about the history, people and art of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. आंध्र प्रदेश की हिस्ट्री, पीपल और उस टाइम जो आर्ट हुआ करता था, it tells us about all these things. Yes student, now it is time to apply your knowledge. Application time. You will do S3, that is given on page number 27 in your workbook. Yes students, now open page number 27 of your workbook. A monument in our state. Yes student, here you can see some pictures, picture number 1, 2 and 3, and read these points. These are the Ajanta caves in Maharashtra. They are near the city of Aurangabad. The caves are carved into the mountains. Some parts of the caves are more than 1000 years old. They were made as places to pray and live in. There are only a few caves like these in other states which are cut into the mountains. The caves also have beautiful paintings and carving inside. These unique features make Ajanta a very special monument. Here some features are given about these Ajanta caves. Now question number 1. In the pictures circle where you see a person carved in stone. Put a tick where you see the painting of a person. Yes, here 3 pictures are given. Here you will tick on the picture where you see painting of a person. And it is written inside the pictures also, under the picture also. Question number 2. Many people like to go to see the Ajanta caves. Why do you think they like to go? You shouldn't think about it because you can say that these are very beautiful, these are very old and these are unique. Right, these are unique. You cannot find the same kind of thing anywhere. ऐसी चीजें नहीं मिलती हैं हर जगह पे. Question number 3. Do you think the caves are made from materials that came from nearby or far away places? Give reason for your answers. Yes students, do you think the caves are made from materials that came from nearby or far away places? मीन्स जो भी इसमें मटेरियल यूज किया गया है, क्या वो मटेरियल वही सारा मिल गया या फिर दूर से लाया गया? इफ यस or no, you will write the reason for your answer. Yes student, at last it is time for homework. What is your today's homework students? You will do practice question number 7, that is given on page number 30 in your content book. Yes students, at last we should summarize our today's aim. What was our aim? To identify historical and social aspect of a monument in the state. Yes. What was the importance of a monument? Is what was the importance as we have read? Yes, what is the importance? Because the monument, these big buildings, these old buildings tell us about the हिस्ट्री पीपल एंड आर्ट ऑफ दैट टाइम. उस टाइम के हमें हिस्ट्री के बारे में बताते हैं, वहाँ की उस टाइम के आर्ट्स के बारे में, एंड दे टेल अस अबाउट द people also of the that time. Yes students, now be ready for the next class also, and the resources for next class, your the same political map, content book, notebook and workbook. Now be ready for next class students. Thank you, have a nice day.